So temperature requirements are important, and the chemical temperature needs to be between 22 and 30 degrees C, and the surface temperature ideally needs to be above 16 degrees C, and the ambient air temperature the same. So you can use this in colder days and colder conditions, but it's more important that the liquid chemical temperature is at the correct temperature. If the surface temperature is below 16 degrees, first you need to spray a small dusting the fan nozzle because it covers a wider surface area. Thin coat first and then spray over the top of that. So if you're at home and you've got access to a bath, fill your bath up with hot water, similar to what you probably get in, or maybe a little bit hotter. Take the 2 tanks out the cardboard box or boxes, let them sit in the bath for 5 to 10 minutes. That should warm them all the way through. Take them out. After a couple of minutes, the metal of the tank should feel warm and not cold. If you don't have access to a bath with hot water, you could use buckets or something similar.
Or you said an airing cupboard as well.
Airing cupboard, if
you've
you've got space. If you've got space in an airing cupboard, yes. Or particular warmest room that you've got. More critical in colder months of the year. Yes, the product will work. It's just at the right temperatures. Not only will you get a better quality of foam, but also you'll get more yield and therefore more coverage.